Case 2 involves retinal detachment and cataract, Government Service Insurance System versus Jaime K. Ibarra, GR number 172925, October 19, 2007, 3rd Division, per Justice Chico-Nazario. Facts. Ibarra worked for the Development Bank of the Philippines as Division Chief. He had high blood pressure and had cataracts in both eyes. He also had blurring of vision. He was diagnosed with retinal detachment of the left eye and retinal detachment of the right eye afterwards. The left eye was treated with surgery, but the right eye was never corrected despite repeated surgery. Ibarra filed for compensation benefits under PD 626 as amended, but GSIS denied the claim. The Employees Compensation Commission or ECC affirmed the GSIS. When the case reached the Court of Appeals reversed the ECC, recognizing that hypertension is an admitted cause of retinal detachment, and the nature of Ibarra's job was an aggravating factor in acquiring hypertension. The issue in this case is whether Ibarra's retinal detachment is compensable for being work-related. The Supreme Court ruled yes. The work connection between respondent Ibarra's hypertension and his retinal detachment had been conclusively settled by this court in the cited case of Manila v. Court of Appeals 395 Phil 162 in the year 2000. We are taking judicial notice that hypertension by its very nature is usually work-connected. Thus, the petition is denied. This case highlights that the Supreme Court has clearly established that hypertension is connected to work. Thus, the effect of hypertension, like retinal detachment, is also work-connected and therefore compensable. Lesson: hypertension is work-connected. If hypertension is associated with retinal detachment, then the retinal detachment is also work-connected and is compensable. In this case, the Employees Compensation Commission cited a textbook of ophthalmology by Fajardo, MD. Retinal detachment or retinal separation may either be primary or idiopathic or secondary. In the primary type, for which the cause is not known, there is usually separation of the inner sensory layer of the retina from the outer pigmented layer. Primary retinal detachment is always associated with a break in the retina, either as a tear or a hole. Vitreous fluid seeps in through the retinal break and initiate the separation and detachment of the retina. The secondary type of retinal detachment is due to some disease process of the retina or its neighboring structures, vitreous and choroids. This could be due to a history of trauma, prior cataract extraction, inflammatory process, or exudes caused by choroiditis or Harde's disease, tumor cells, or traction of the retina. Any unauthorized use or reproduction of this work will be prosecuted under the Intellectual Property Code and other laws.